Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fix this shop is currently unavailable error on your Shopify store. Now first thing you need to do guys, you want to log into your Shopify store. That's exactly what you need to do. After you are on your dashboard guys, after you are on your Shopify dashboard, first let's start with like obvious errors. Okay, so there are like some errors that are really common. Okay, a lot of people face them, and then after that I'm going to be showing you guys other like solutions if the first one doesn't fix your problem. Now first thing you need to do guys, you want to click on online store at the, in the left here, online store, and then you want to click on preferences. Okay, so after guys you click on preferences, you want to scroll down, and if you have this box checked, you want to uncheck it because it says here restrict access to visitors with password. You want to uncheck it and remove this password, and make sure you click on save in the top right. Now if this doesn't fix your problem, this is like one of the reasons why you have this problem. Okay, for the first one is like as you can see, it says here on the Shopify help center, it says here there are a couple of different reasons for this message to appear. One of them could be the store is no longer available after a long period of inactivity, many months. Like this store probably, your store probably like is inactive for like I would say 1 month or 2 months, and that's why it says the store is unavailable. Okay, so you have to activate it. Okay, make sure you pick the plan, like you want to check your store and you want to go to like settings and click on plan, and you want to pick a plan here. Okay, now if you already picked a plan, then the other like reason is that the URL you may be entering might be inaccurate. Okay, so you make sure the URL is attached to your account. Okay, so you want like this is your URL, your Shopify URL, so you just need to go to settings and click on general, and here this is your URL as you can see here. Okay, this is your URL. Now I'm going to open it in a new tab and see if the problem is still there or not. Okay, so this store now is available. As you can see, I've checked it in a new tab, in a private tab, as you can see, and the store is available. Okay, so if this doesn't fix your problem, here is a solution that will fix it, and I tried this myself. You just need to search for contact Shopify Support, and you want to contact the Shopify store, the Shopify Support. Then they will send you to someone to talk to, like a real human that will fix your problem. Okay, so as you can see, after you are here, you want to ask assistant for I would like to talk to someone. Okay, just someone. Okay, and then you will like can you share what you are working on? I can help find an answer or get you to the right support team. So you just need to tell them how my store is unavailable. Okay, and then they will take you guys, they will like send you to someone, to a real person. It will say here frozen store. If you miss the payments, your store may be frozen. You can reactivate it by paying outstanding charges. Store deactivation. If you or someone deactivated your store, you will need to log back in and select a plan to activate it. Shopify payment account issues. This also can be the reason, like if you have like a problem with your payment method. Now it says here if you need further assistance, let me know and they can connect you with a support advisor. Yes, I want you to connect me with support advisor, and then you will be able to talk to someone. Okay, so then they will check the account for you, and then they will tell you exactly what is wrong with your Shopify store. Okay, if this one guys helped you, drop a like and see you guys in the next video. I reply to every single comment. If you have any questions, go to the comments